Hey guys, this is Nimway Productions here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the notoriously infamous practices being conducted over at the Underground Research Facility over in Geneva at CERN. For those of you who don't know, CERN houses the largest particle accelerator in the world, and for a number of years now, they have been making a number of headlines with some of their discoveries and scientific breakthroughs. Here is a quick rundown of what CERN is all about in this short clip.
CERN is the world's largest particle physics research laboratory. It covers 6 square kilometers, scattered over 12 sites either side of the Franco-Swiss border near Geneva. In 34 kilometers of tunnels and caverns the size of cathedrals at over 100 meters underground, CERN hosts facilities for experimental physics. Scientists from all over the world work here in international collaborations to study and understand the mysteries of the universe. Stars, planets, seas, air, humans, everything around us is made of matter. Matter is made of atoms. Atoms are made of electrons orbiting around a nucleus, which in turn is made of protons and neutrons. Inside these, we find quarks. In CERN's newest accelerator, the Large Hadron Collider, due to start operation in 2008, particles will collide at nearly the speed of light to study the quarks and other particles. Many of these particles only existed in the early universe for a fraction of a second after the Big Bang, when all the energy transformed into matter. In CERN's accelerators, we can recreate conditions that existed just after the Big Bang and shed light on such questions as, why do particles have mass? What is the nature of dark matter in the universe? Why did matter triumph over antimatter in the first moments of the universe, making our existence possible? What was the state of matter just after the Big Bang? 4 gigantic instruments called particle detectors will study the data from the LHC collisions in search of the answers to these fundamental questions.
Now, I know that some of you may be wondering, but Nin, if this video is about CERN, then why did you include that bizarre musical intro talking about Shiva or whatever in the beginning of this video? And I'm glad you asked that. And that is because, for some unexplainable reason, the scientists and leading authoritative figures managing the experiments and projects over at CERN not only openly commemorate the Hindu god of destruction, but also even have a statue of the Hindu deity located right outside the front entrance to the underground research facility. As strange as it may sound, the truth is that we typically think of scientists as logical, down-to-earth, practical people. But as of March 2023, we have documented video proof of secret gatherings taking place at and around the Shiva statue by hooded men and women performing occult ceremonial rituals who have since been identified as being the same scientists working at CERN. Here is a short clip that was secretly taken of one of these very rituals by one of the workers.
Here we have, in CERN, Switzerland, a huge wheel. Inside that wheel is a Hindu god, and his name is Shiva. He does a dance of destruction inside that wheel, and his purpose is he is one of the triad gods, one of the greatest gods of Hinduism. Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma. Brahma is the god of creation. Vishnu is the god of preservation, but Shiva is the god of destruction. The way the Hindu sees it is that when Shiva destroys, it's not for the purpose of annihilation. He destroys so that Brahma can come and recreate. So now when the Hindu, since they're scientists to CERN, they put this out there in front, and so what these people are doing with the collider is destroying what comes together, but for the purpose of recreating and find out what brought it into existence to begin with. Are you following me?